What is up, Gunpla Modelers? This is Strider Prime, bringing you a new edition of GundamModels. Today is November 3rd, 2018. We're 2 weeks away from Anime NYC for the GBWC 2018 in New York City. And we're technically down the wire. I've been spending a lot of my time finishing up this kit, and I wanted to give you a brief update. This is just a small little update because right now I have nothing to show. But I am showing you this photograph because I did post it on Facebook about a few days ago. I did a stress test to see how long the batteries will last, and the batteries did last 24 hours. So even with all the lights on minus the Canon, it lasted. I turned it on around 9 in the morning and I turned it off around 1 in the afternoon the next day. So over 24 hours. I'm kind of content with all that. I really am. I'll definitely put in fresh new batteries when I take it to the show, and I'll probably bring a pack with me just in case on the next day. You never know. But I'm now nearly done. I did a lot of work, detail work on the wing areas of the battle pods. Along the bottom part area, I did some stuff there. More detail up front. Finishing up the cannon. Finishing up putting stuff on the back, so you'll be seeing that soon. Stuff around the eye field generator, and of course the area on the crotch, which will be a surprise. And then once you guys see all that, I will put it all together so you guys can see it. And then from there, I move on to painting to get that, get that done. This kit's going to be, there's going to be a lot of part separations, a lot of things that I got to separate and paint on its own and separate. So this is going to take a long time for me to finish this up. But it's going to be a good week and a half worth of painting, and I should be ready by next week, hopefully. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for this. All the comments that you guys have put on this video on episode 9, and let's just say that you guys stop putting more comments. This is done. I'm going to hit a couple of likes here for a lot of people who actually, posted your comments. You guys gave some great comments here, and I'd like to thank you, all of you guys. Some of you doubled it up because you said a nice comment and then gave me the comment of the vehicle. So if I see a comment and say, "Hey, great kit," you're not going to win if I do the randomizer. But some of you did put like 3 or 4 different types of ideas in separate comments, and I had to kindly say, listen, thank you for all your comments, but at least pick one and delete the rest, because it's not going to be fair for everybody else who has posted here as well, and you guys obliged. Well, and some of you didn't, but that's okay. So just to reiterate, the winner will be winning the Hyaku Shiki clear kit that I purchased at Comic-Con last month, and I got my randomizer right there ready to go so you guys can all see this. Let's load the comments. Okay, all the comments are loaded. We're gonna click on the button below to pick the winner. I'm not gonna pick the most liked, the randomly picked winner. Yeah, I removed some doubles, so it says 55, but it says 53 here. 53 unique users found. Are you guys nervous? Well, you should be. Once I pick you guys, I will, obviously send you a message, but let's play it. Let's start it right here. In 3, 2, 1, click. RX Slinger says, why not call it the HAPI, the Hyper Assault Pack Initiative, or Initiate, depending on what you like more. Then you can have a smiley face to any missiles you have. So HAIP, Hyper Assault Pack Initiative. Initiative or initiative? I kind of like this. I like that. So it will be called the RX-72 Gundam Hyper Assault Pack Initiative, or Initiate. Am I saying it right or wrong? You guys are going to correct me on this either or. But, RX Slinger, congratulations. You won the 1/100 scale Master Grade Hyaku Shiki Clear Type limited edition from Bluefin, which I got at the at Comic-Con. Congratulations. You know my email address. Well, everybody knows my email address. striderprime@gmail.com. Just send me an email. You know, with your name, your address, and I will pack it. I'll pack it up and you know, send it to you right away. But congratulations, you won. I hope you you know, hope you're happy. Just send me your email. I don't know if I have an email account on you from Facebook. I'm sorry, from YouTube, but I'll send you a message as well. But thank you for the name. The Hyper Assault Pack Initiative will be the name of my kit. With that being said, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for more Gundam models yet to come. You guys all have a great day.